Do you want to know how to create a storybook for grade school, how to download it, and how to share your template with others? Then be sure to watch until the very end of this video to also get the template link I use here. So I will be using ChatGPT free account. I just want to share also because I read some comments about this. If you are wondering why some people can only generate 3 images on ChatGPT while others can generate more than 10, it is because the image limit can be different for each account. ChatGPT may adjust the limit depending on the account usage, system availability, and current limits. So even if you are both using free accounts, one person may have a different number of available image generations than another. Okay, so let's go back. Click this create an image, add this prompt, and click this arrow and wait. So there you go. That's the image for the first prompt. Now for the second and remaining images, let's use this second prompt. Make sure that each time you generate an image, just change the page number. You can also do page 1 of 20 instead of 10. It depends on your preference. Now once you're all good, don't forget to download all these images. Then go back to Canva and upload all the images you downloaded. If you want to download this, go to the share button, then click on download. You can also choose if you want to download it as PNG or as a PDF file. So the difference is a PNG file saves your design as an image. It is best for sharing online, posting on social media, or using individual pages separately. While PDF file saves your whole design as a document with all pages together. It is best for printing, sending files, or creating complete sheets. So once you're all good, click on the download button. Now, if you want to share this template with other people, click on the share button, click on template link, click on create template link, and copy this link. So as you can see, this is a pro version, okay? But I have a tutorial where you can do this even if you're on a free account. So I will also put that in the comment section. Want more video tutorials like this? Comment on tutorials so I know you want me to make more videos like this. Be sure to follow my page for more. See you in my next video. Bye!